Pardon me.
Leave me alone.
Sorry, fellas. Didn't mean to make you jump. Not like there's anything wrong with jumping, of course. I mean, it kind of runs in the family.
What do you want?
Want?
Well, you better get it off your chest. Tell me how ugly I am.
Ugly?
There. I hope you feel better now.
Whoa. Hang on a minute. Mind if I jump off and get back on again? Look at me.
Ah!
There, you see? Connect the dots. When we're talking ugly, they don't come much more aesthetically challenged than me. I know what your problem is. You've been preening yourself too much.
What do you mean?
You're a little down in the mouth. Come on, you're giving us nothing here. Give us a smile.
I want to be left on my own.
Now that's just downright antisocial. Hang on a minute. I got a human in my throat. Oh well. I know how you feel. You mustn't let it depress you. I started out as a blob of jelly and it's been downhill ever since. I say to myself, I'm just a handsome prince in a frog's clothing, and that one day somebody's gonna kiss me and release my inner beauty. And then I say to myself, nah, get real. What's that? It's not a frog. You know what our trouble is?
No.
Our image isn't in vogue, that's all. It's a question of taste. But mark my words, one day ugly will be in. If you just sit tight on your lily pad, each silly fad will pass. Then those who sporting seasons look will fall flat on their ass. Ski a mother what it's called. Fashion is a fickle thing. Just you wait and see. The day will come when we're in style, and then I'll guarantee out there someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, just around the corner, in amongst the fauna, someone's gonna fall for you. Though I now look up at Jurassic. Trust me, I'm a classic in my pond. If all this old frog can go, taught me how to wake up call. Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all. Tell them kids.
We can't say where. Someone will care. They're gonna love ya, warts and all. Somewhere out there. We can't say where, but someone is gonna fall for you.
Just whenever you need boosting, one day I'll be roosting with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them when you do have a ball.
We know you're gonna have a ball. Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Out there, someone's gonna love ya. Someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all, they're gonna love ya. Warts and all. Out there, in a money bottle, someone needs a cuddle.
Though the chance is small,
It's true.
just think whenever you need boosting, one day I'll be roosting
Soon I'll be roosting
with a mate.
Soon you'll be roosting.
Though it may take some time to find them when you do have a ball.
Cause out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Out there somewhere someone's gonna love ya. Warts and all.
home, stay cheerful.
Goodbye, and if you ever find yourself near the duckyard, do call in. I'd love for you to meet my family.
Hope you find them all right. Ribbit, ribbit, ribbit.